right, guys, we finally figured out the camera.
Yeah, I was acting silly.
But we're here at the RV show. It's our first time here. We're super excited.
Super nervous.
Yeah, and we like accidentally just checked online to see when the RV show was going to be, and it turns out it was this weekend. So we were like, let's go. The entrance, the entrance here was $17 if you bought it online, and I think it was like $20 at the door. And we are going to mainly focus on fifth wheels, which is really what we're in love with and what we find that living
It's more comfortable for us.
full-time, yeah, is more comfortable. So right now we're just walking around, just checking out, I don't know, all of the stuff that is here. And then we want to find the spot where the fifth wheels are and a little bit of food because we're also a little bit hungry.
Starving.
Okay, so let's go.
See what $500,000 is. And that's it. Mike! That's Mike, babes. Babes, that's Mike from Firmly Unbound.
Really?
Yeah, he's 6'2", I noticed it.
Come on, come in.
I was talking to you. Vamos a saludarlo. Huh?
Go, you go.
Oh, man, this is what I was talking about. Let's see.
I heard that he was doing it live for...
Like, I'm like, babes, I'm showing excitement. What do you think of this?
It's big here, but it's kind of small.
Yeah, let's...
We saw this one, remember?
Yeah.
So we just saw the Salem, what was it, Hemisphere. You recorded anything in there?
I did. It was horrible.
I
didn't like. Let's move back.
Yeah, we have seen that one. Is this guy right here?
That one.
On TV on YouTube a couple of times. It looked cool on TV, so we definitely wanted to check it out. But it's a little tight in there. The bunks really, a person can really only crawl in there.
Right, let's check this out real quick. Oh, excuse me. Oh man.
You got a half bath here so that people ain't got to drive your whole camper.
Hi. I mean,
You got your snacks in hand. There.
Oh, sorry. Somebody's in there. What's going on, man? Somebody left their backpack there.
Yeah, they did.
Let me do a real quick run.
Look at this one. If you want to sell stuff from this little window, you can.
Yeah.
So look at the inside of this one.
Yeah.
And
There's a lot of
there's
room.
little
I mean, these
balcony
windows are
here on the
humongous.
back. Door.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
What is this one? 2025. Wow.
It's like really nice.
There's a small little half bathroom. Small little storage there. You could put the trash can or you could put a couple of things there. Big fridge.
No, sir. That's a nice oven and stove.
That's really nice. What do you think this one? I think this one
That's
fits.
a 4-burner?
Yeah.
Nice. I like the new
And,
island situation.
I like the island thing.
Does it have a dishwasher?
No.
Miseria. Miseria. Sir, you're in jail.
But it has space for one.
Oh, nice.
On this strip.
Yeah. What do you like about it?
Different. It's not an eyesore like it always is everywhere.
Sir, I like this bedroom for Huaca. It even has a little...
That one is, yeah, he can stand there.
Yeah. It has 2 little drawers.
Yeah, this is a casita.
Yeah.
And then it
Ma,
has,
las llaves están en la otra...
I don't know. I don't know where they are actually. This is the main bathroom. I can only imagine. Spacious. A lot of space here. The bathtub or shower, I guess, is large. The material could have been a little bit better. The subfloor of the bathtub.
Come here.
Come
here, baby.
Faucet. Look at this. Look at this vanity. Wow. That's nice.
Ow.
And washer, dryer, big window, glass cabinets, deep.
Thank you so much. Gotta stop. It's all right. This is the forest. I mean, this looks pretty big. Oh. Interesting.
Interesting.
Interesting. Interesting. Really?
Interesting. Alright guys, so we just saw like 2-3 RVs and now we're hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Alright, so the adventure continues.
It does.
Do you put a beauty filter on this?
No, you're naturally beautiful.
Let's see. Up, 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 up. Oh, this is even bigger over here.
Yeah.
Wow.
That table breaks down into a bed.
Okay, this is different.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just finished. It's 4:39. We just left the RV show. I am exhausted.
Yeah.
We did so much walking. What are your thoughts, your initial thoughts of this?
So I was super excited. Definitely super excited. Saw my face. Super excited, but I was trying to get, like, I wanted to see some accessories for the RV. Like, I want to get like a metal mesh door. I want to get some accessories for the RV. So that's what I went to go see. You know, dabble with the devil and see if we like something new. You don't know.
So we did see a couple of, well, not a couple. We only saw one RV that if we were to upgrade, that will be the one that we will go with.
Yeah.
But RVs really awesome. I find it's just so us. It complements our lifestyle.
Yeah.
Our needs, you know, being able to fit the crib. Really what we came here to look for was a two bedroom or a 1 bedroom, 1 bunk type of RV.
Like any inspiration that we could have gotten, maybe, you know, because we are doing some repairs and some modifications to our house. So we were seeing, what works for us, what idea, what is out there. Is it worth like doing all these upgrades on our house? If there's already something out there that would be cheaper if we end up, but that's what we were looking at.
Anyway, guys, we're saying bye-bye. We are going home now. We're going to grab something to eat. And then, yeah. And hopefully, we don't take forever to edit a new video. But this one's going to come out. We're not ready for the rest. But if you can support us, if you can encourage us, if you can just...
Give us motivation. Give us motivation. Right down there. Comment, like, subscribe. That's what happened the first time around. You guys weren't giving us likes and subscriptions, and we're like, nobody likes us.
Well, 116 of you have been faithful.
17.
Oh, sorry, 17.
Yeah, we got one
18
today.
with the one.
No, she was 17.
Oh, okay. 117 of you have been. No one fan has. Well, no fan. No
They get
one
follower.
No
They get
one,
fan. What do you think you
no
are?
No one of you has left us, which we don't even know. Like, do you know about us, or are we just living rent free on your algorithm?
Do you actually know us? Like, who is following us?
Oh, we saw YouTubers at the RV show.
We saw two.
three. We saw three.
Okay,
YouTubers.
if you're gonna count like that, then 5.
We're not gonna tell you guys our little secret.
No, we're
We
not.
might tell you.
We might not. But yeah, no, honestly, like, subscribe if you haven't been subscribed, did it already. Tell your friends about us. We're regular people doing a regular life in RV, just like you guys. We wake up in the morning, we work. Yeah, we work from home.
We put our pants one leg at a time. Is that what you want to tell the people?
Yeah. Well, yeah. We're YouTube it. Whoa! Oh my goodness. We're YouTubing. We're not doing it for the money. We're doing it for the memories, for our memories, you know? So you're going to get real content. You're not going to get, I'm going to show you this product right here because they're sponsoring me. Yeah, if that happens, great. We're going to do it. But you'll see how we do it. But right now, we're trying to build memories for us, for our family. So thanks for following along.
Thank you for following. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Ciao.